In this video, I'll show you how to use Klarna as payment method in stores or online. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Okay, so Klarna is a popular payment service that allows users to make purchases and pay for them in installments or defer payments. So I have my Klarna account and it's very convenient for me whenever I shop online or at stores, especially if that stores offers Klarna's the payment method. So first of all, you need to create your account here in Klarna. Go here at klarna.com or in your mobile device, open the app right here. Just download to get started. Now, here in the Klarna, so basically it offers a one-time card, all right, as well. And also, Klarna is popular using the what you call pay in 4 installments. So Klarna offers these payment options, and if you are on a budget, right? So this is the best in terms of flexibility, and I believe that suits everyone, including me. Now, pay in 4 installments at Amazon.com. So Klarna had partners with a lot of stores online or in stores. One of them is Amazon.com, right? Say for example, you are going to purchase an items on Amazon.com. So when you go here, say for example, on the payout section, say for example, my total, this is my amount of my my shopping cart. When you hover at the very last part on the payment method, you would easily see your Klarna account as one of the payment options, especially if you linked your Klarna account on Amazon.com. The first is you need to create an account in Klarna website, and then you would need to link it to your Amazon.com, and that way whenever you go to payment section, you would see your Klarna as one of the payment options, right? And also that applies to booking.com as well. Say this is my favorite website because I love to travel. Say for example, I click this pod time square. When you click on that, see availability, and then I proceed on that checkout, you would definitely see your Klarna as one of the payment options. All right. Or what you can do is just go over to Klarna.com and check all the the deals right now, or currently deals on such as like booking.com, Amazon.com. All I'm gonna do, for example, say for example, this is the 15% on booking.com. Click on that and you will be redirected to the page with their partners. But in this case, probably the deal is already expired. But if it's active, you will be given to a new window, and that's how you use Klarna as one of the payments online, right? Say for example, you're using it in stores, all right? So you will have to choose installments, and Klarna will typically charge your payment method for the agreed upon amounts over time, all right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.